How to change phone number on Google Business Profile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you the easy way to change phone number on Google Business Profile. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, if you are on your PC or laptop, open a web browser. Click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in My Business. The results section opens and make sure that you have logged into the particular Google account where you have logged in or sign up to the Google business profile. So let's go to our business profile. As on this section, I have easily got my business profile, that is Guitar Tech. So let's go to view profile bottom and we will land on the section. To change phone number on Google business profile, click edit profile bottom at top left corner of the screen. A menu box appears with all your business information. So let's click on contact option. And here under contact information on the first option only you will get the phone number. So as I haven't added any phone number, if you have added a phone number, you can click on the edit icon or the pencil like icon and enter your country's code and your primary phone number. You can also add other phone number and click the save button and easily change phone number on Google Business Profile. But make sure you are aware about the guidelines related to the phone numbers on Google Business Profile. You can easily go through all of this information and then add your phone number or change phone number on Google Business Profile so that you do not violate any kinds of guidelines on the business. So I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.